I think I'm going to remind our people that just where we were and where we are today, our men were beaten each day, each night, these young people you see around here. And as they sought refuge with hippopotami and crocodile by the lake, our women were being raped, watched by their daughters, before the daughters were raped. So we are not here to talk about what will happen on 30th. Baba, you are going to be sworn with Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as president and deputy president on 30th. Kenya needs to talk with itself. Your Excellency, you've been detained for the good of this country before. If you are being detained again, we'll enable Kenya talk with itself. You will be detained on 30th, but you will be sworn. And this is a request I'm making to Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka also. It is better you live one day as a lion than live 1,000 years like a jackal. So stand at committee detained. It is better than walking free, not being the president of Kenya, the people of Kenya who elected you. I'm saying, Your Excellencies, Kenya needs to talk with itself. And let me say in ending, if you will let it go, if you will not be sworn on 30th, this Tuesday, on 30th, you are being sworn to take over the leadership of Kenya as a unit, or we will secede and create a country for you to lead as a people. Yes. Your Excellency Raila Odinga, if you are being killed after 30th, we will make the country called Kenya speak with itself. Accept to die on 30th, but you must be sworn.